Before becoming a dentist, I studied medicine. And then at that one point, I realized basically doctors, their private life was work. So I made a bold decision. I quit medicine and I started all over again in dentistry. It was hard, but that decision taught me something that still drives me today. You can rebuild anything if you have purpose. After years of running a successful clinic in Santiago, my family and I decided to move to Matanzas, a small coastal town with just a few hundred people. I didn't want to sacrifice all my years working with Straumann and doing, like this high quality dentistry. I really wanted to bring all that here because it's what I do. And this was super clear from the beginning. So one of the first cases we did at the clinic, it's Nelson, and he was missing many teeth, and we organized the full treatment following the IXL digital workflow. We took pictures, we put all that into Smile Cloud, and then we simulate the smile, the new smile design. Smile Cloud gives you wings, so my patient really can see the future. When he saw what we could do, it was amazing, like he couldn't believe it, really. And now people in general come to the clinic and they know they're gonna receive very good treatment and they're gonna be treated like they should. Fearless dentistry for me, it's about believing and putting all your effort into giving the best dental care you can the community where you live.
Straumann IXL. Unleash your power.